Hey everyone, welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the TradingView lagging problem so your charts run smoother and faster, whether it's freezing, lagging when you scroll or zoom, or just taking too long to load. These solutions should help you get back to a clean, responsive experience. Let's start by checking your browser or app version. If you're using TradingView on a web browser, make sure it's up to date. Chrome, Edge, or Firefox work best. Older versions can cause performance drops. You can also try switching to a different browser or downloading the official TradingView desktop app for Windows or Mac OS, which tends to run smoother than the web version. Next, clear your cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can slow things down. In your browser settings, clear cached files and site data, then restart the browser and log back into TradingView. Another common cause is too many indicators or drawings on your chart. Each one uses resources, so if you've stacked a lot of moving averages, trend lines, or scripts, try hiding or deleting the ones you don't need. Also, turn off features like real-time replay or live updates if you're not using them at the moment. If you're on a slower or unstable internet connection, TradingView can lag while loading live data. Try switching to a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, or test your speed to ensure it's stable. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily, since it can affect latency. You can also adjust chart performance settings inside TradingView. Click on the gear icon for chart settings, then in the Appearance or Advanced tab, reduce animation effects, turn off auto-scaling, and limit the number of bars loaded on the chart. Loading fewer candles means less strain on your device. For desktop users, close background apps that use memory or GPUs, such as streaming software or multiple browser tabs. If you're on a laptop, plug it in to make sure performance isn't limited by power-saving mode. Lastly, check TradingView's server status. Sometimes lag is caused by their end, not yours. You can visit TradingView's official status page or their Twitter updates to see if there's ongoing maintenance or outages. After applying these fixes, restart TradingView and test your charts again. You should notice smoother scrolling, faster response, and no delay when switching timeframes or symbols. And that's it. That's how you fix the TradingView lagging problem quickly and efficiently. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more trading and tech tutorials.
Yeah.
And comment below if you want me to cover the best settings for faster TradingView performance. See you in the next one.